Hello there, little ones. I am the Saint Benedict, and I have a wonderful story to share with you about my life. I was born a very long time ago, around the year 480, in a place called Nursia in Italy. I had a twin sister named Scholastica, and we were the children of a Roman noble. When I was a young man, I lived in Rome, where I learned about the many things. But I noticed that people around me were not always kind or good. This made me very sad, so I decided to leave Rome and find a quiet place where I could pray and think about how to be a better person. I found a beautiful, peaceful place in the mountains of Subiaco. There, I lived all alone in a cave for 3 years. My only friend was a kind monk named Romanus, who brought me food and clothes. During this time, I prayed a lot and tried to understand God's plan for me. Soon, people heard about the man who lived in the cave and prayed all day. They started coming to me, wanting to learn how to live a good and peaceful life. So I helped them set up 12 small monasteries, each with 12 monks around Subiaco. I taught them how to pray, work, and live together in harmony. But not everyone liked what I was doing. Some people even tried to harm me by giving me poisoned food and drink. But each time, a miracle happened. Once, a raven flew away with a poisoned loaf of bread. And another time, a glass of poisoned wine shattered when I made the sign of the cross over it. After some years, I moved to a place called Monte Cassino. There I built a big monastery and wrote a book called The Rule of Saint Benedict. This book was like a guide for monks, teaching them how to live a balanced life of prayer, work, and study. I also did many miracles at Monte Cassino. I healed sick people, provided food during times of famine, and even brought a young monk back to life who had been crushed by a falling wall. I also had the ability to see things before they happened, including my own death. I died on March 21st, 547. Not 5:47 a.m. in the morning, the year 547. Just before I died, I saw a beautiful vision of my sister, Scholastica's soul, flying to heaven like a dove. I was buried next to her at Monte Cassino. Many years later, I was named a saint by Pope Honorius III. Today, I am known as the patron saint of Europe and students. My book, The Rule of Saint Benedict, is still used by monks and nuns all over the world. And that, dear children, is the story of my life. I hope it inspires you to live a life of kindness, prayer, and love for others. May God bless you. Arrivederci.